Good morning, students. Up to last class, we have seen balanced diet, and a diet may be different for different persons. It depends upon certain factors like the age group, gender, boys and girls, and working habit. Now, we are going to discuss a concept of the unbalanced diet. Unbalanced diet means we may take excess of the nutrition. Excess of the nutrition is known as overnutrition, and less nutrition, less than the less nutrient, it results into undernutrition. And such a condition of the unbalanced diet is called as malnutrition, is known as malnutrition. Got it? So malnutrition may be undernutrition or may be overnutrition. Number one, undernutrition. If we do not take carbohydrates, its deficiency results into weakness, loss of stamina. The deficiency of fats results into dry and weak body, dry skin and weak body. Deficiency of protein result into, there are two kinds of diseases, kwashiorkor and marasmus. Kwashiorkor and marasmus. Actually, kwashiorkor and marasmus not only occur due to deficiency of protein, but also they having in such condition there is deficiency of carbohydrates, fats as well as proteins, but mainly protein deficiency. So have a look what are differences between the kwashiorkor and marasmus. As you are looking over here, this is a child suffering from marasmus, and you are looking over here, his weak and thin body, prominent ribs. You are looking, these are the ribs, prominent ribs, like this. Got it? And loose skin. So what are the characteristic of the marasmus? So look over here. What are the characteristics of the marasmus? Weak and thin body, prominent ribs and loose skin. It causes deficiency of protein, fats and carbohydrates. The children less than 1 year age, they generally suffer from the marasmus. Got it? Now look, second one, kwashiorkor. More than 1 year, when a child start to feed upon external food, but if this food deficient of the proteins, in that case the child may suffering from the kwashiorkor. Which disease? Kwashiorkor. And kwashiorkor basically protein deficiency. You are looking a child suffering from kwashiorkor. So what are the characteristics of the kwashiorkor? You are looking, how is kind of this stomach? Swollen stomach and face. Swollen stomach, पेट फूल गया है, चेहरा भी फूल गया है. So swollen stomach and face. How is kind of legs? Thin legs. Swollen stomach and face, thin legs, patches on skin. You are looking patches on skin. Discoloration of hair. Discoloration of hair. The child, you have seen many of the child having brown colored hair, light colored hair, discoloration of hair. And next one, diarrhea. So what are the characteristics of kwashiorkor? Swollen stomach and face, thin legs, patches on skin, discoloration of hair, and diarrhea. Now students, look deficiency diseases due to vitamins. First, vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency result into night blindness. Night blindness, a person unable to see in dim light. Second one, vitamin B1. Vitamin B is a group of a number of vitamins actually. So vitamin B1, berry. Tiredness, muscle aches, pain in the limbs, swollen joints. These are the characteristics of symptoms of beriberi disease. Now vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 result into anemia. Vitamin B12 along with the iron deficiency, its deficiency result into anemia. RBC's deficiency, or you can see less amount of RBC or slower production of the RBCs. Next is vitamin C. Vitamin C is very common vitamin, and vitamin C is essential for our wound healing, boost up our immune system, and its deficiency result into a disease called as scurvy. The gums, swollen gums, and when we touch it, it start to bleeding. So bleeding and swollen gums, poor wound healing, poor immune power are the characteristics of the vitamin C. Now vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency result into bending and weak bones. Vitamin D work along with the calcium and phosphate. Calcium and phosphorus, and its deficiency result into weak bones, bending bones, and bow-shaped legs, pigeon chest pigeon like. Next one, iron deficiency. We have seen its deficiency result into anemia. Calcium deficiency result into weak bones, weak and bending bones, muscular cramps, muscular twitches, teeth, decaying of the teeth. Next one, iodine deficiency result into goiter. The thyroid gland get enlarged lump in the neck. Now overnutrition, and overnutrition when we intake excess of the food, खाते रहेंगे, then it will result into excess of the nutrition, overnutrition. When we taken in excess of the fat, it will deposit in our body. In our body, it causes obesity. The excess of the fat may deposit into blood vessels, and it causes narrowing of the blood vessels and make our heart at risk. We should adopt healthy conditions, healthy practices. We should doing exercise. Playing outdoor games, not indoor games. Mobile cheating चल रहा है. Playing now. Go outdoor games. Go to play outdoor games. Tennis, racket, whatever it is, in which you will have to run.